How many of you are guilty of using the same 3 or 4 spices over and over while ignoring all the others that are buried in the back of your spice cabinet? If that sounds like you, then today we're going to hopefully change that. Let's start off by digging out that bottle of curry, which hasn't seen the light of day in months, so we can make it the star of today's recipe. In a food processor or blender, we combine a jar of roasted red peppers that we've drained, along with some chopped onions, some chicken broth, coconut milk, and a good amount of curry powder. We puree this until it's smooth, which takes just seconds. Now we pour this into a skillet, and once it simmers, we stir in some chickpeas and grated carrots. Now we add some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but if you prefer, you can use chicken breasts. Okay, we let this simmer until the sauce thickens up and the chicken is cooked through. Once it's done and you take a whiff of the rich curry sauce, you'll wonder why you don't use this spice more often. To get the recipe for what we call our quick chicken curry, which is super tasty, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a spiced up way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.